We're leaving El Chorro Regional Park, heading up to Monterey. Should be a very pretty drive.
We got Puzzin. He's talking.
This looks interesting. I'm wondering if you just go out the end.
Yeah, I'm gonna go out the end. I put some new product on the rails. I'm not really happy with it. It's making
a lot of noise.
Sound that I haven't heard before. How am I doing on there?
You load through them.
All right, I'm here at Laguna Seca, just outside of Monterey, and last night, as we were just hanging out around the campsite, a nice gentleman came over. His name's Tom, and he is a trainer or a teacher for the racetrack here, and I was invited to go in that car.
Remember, number one thing today is safety. Safety first. How many of you are the first time here? Not too many of you. Well, there's some squirrels and some geese. And sometimes it's their first time here too. And they do cross the track. If it's a squirrel and he gets run over, that's the way it goes. If he's off track, it's a standing yellow. Or if the car is in an impact zone, we will be waving this flag. We feel you're having a mechanical problem, this is the flag you will see. If you see this flag, come into the pits. If you see this flag, it means there's something slow on the course. This means there's something on the course that you need to be aware of. It tells you that there's somebody faster wanting to pass you. Red means stop. It means go. Woo. When you see this flag, it means go. It means the session's over.
It can get a little weird here. This is I'm not saying don't do it, but this is just a weird corner and nobody takes it the same, and it's really hard to read the other drivers in turn 9. Downshift, take it easy if you have any questions.
What is your level of racing?
I mean, I'm pretty decent, but like I don't have my racing license yet.
Okay.
That's something I'm going for, because my dad drives for the U.S. touring cars, and I'm trying to do that as well.
Cool.
So yeah, I'm pretty good though. I know this track pretty well, as well as the other tracks in this area.
Awesome.
This is gonna be my first time being on slicks though. On this car.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be new for me.
This is absolutely amazing. We're at Laguna Seca, and how many racers do you think are here today?
These are basically just street folks. They're not race group. This is a track day. These are people who are car enthusiasts that just want to come out and take their, like that little Focus there that you can commute in and put some sticky tires on it and come race the racetrack.
Awesome.
Right? So it's not competitive racing, it's just fun.
It's great. So thanks for having us out here. This is awesome.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're gonna go take a little ride and go see how exciting this is. Already the energy here is amazing, and I'm loving this. This is pretty sweet. What is the top speed in this thing when you get out there?
When I get out there, I could probably reach about 115, 120.
115, 120.
Around the main straight.
Okay, okay, awesome.
So it's a 2013 Ford Focus ST. It's
Nice.
stage 3 power, tuned by Stratified Tuning.
This is gonna be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it.
All right, we're about to get ready to hit the track again. Got Sean driving, and yeah,
We got a GoPro this time.
got the GoPro.
Right on.
Dude, that was awesome.
This car's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Looking at it, you're like, eh.
I was like, yeah, it's nice. It's red.
This is the coolest family that we've met for sure in the Laguna Seca area. I don't want to exclude any of the other
they're the
families.
great people on the planet.
Yeah. And I just had one of the coolest experiences. We went in this 100+ miles an hour. I can't even put it into words. My hands are shaky. I gotta get Sean. Sean's my new best friend. Sean, amazing driver. He's gonna be a professional driver one of these days.
Hopefully.
And I'm gonna be like, I had the exclusive here at Platt 365. This car that we drove was a Ford Rocket, I think is what it's called.
Focus ST.
Yeah.
Like, close enough.
Known as
Could be the same thing.
known as a Ford Rocket. We were going 100+ miles an hour at Laguna Seca. The turns and the lines that you had were amazing. And Sean mentioned that I actually stopped talking at one point, which is when you know that I was about to, I don't know, either throw up or like cry.
Well, I was trying to be like, I was going fast, but like I know for new people it can be a little bit like overwhelming, especially if you haven't been anything that's like super fast before. But
we hit the hairpin turn. What turn number is that? The one at the very, like,
Right here?
that straightaway.
yeah, so that's turn 11.
11.
Yeah.
Turn 11. We were going over 100 miles an hour, and you hit the brakes, and just you want to like go. We were just saying, right? Go right
Yeah,
through the
try to
windshield.
push out the windshield if you want to come back out.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
When's the next session? Well, thank you so much. That was an amazing experience.
So you haven't gone down this.
No. Is
Driving.
it fun?
It's a little bit scary even in just the truck.
we are headed to Monterey Bay Aquarium.
Yay!
One of the most popular aquariums in the world. Top 5 at least, I think. I don't know.
Yeah.
So we're excited about it, and we're heading there right now. All right, we're heading into the aquarium. Pretty excited about it. We're girls have never been to this aquarium, and they're in for a treat.
Yes. I've only been once.
Ah, nice.
Jellyfish.
Baby jellyfish, doo 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 doo. Jellyfish, doo doo doo.
They're so young, they have not taken their traditional jellyfish form, meaning the umbrellas and the tentacles. In a couple of weeks, they are going to develop 4 little tentacles, and they're going to form that little bell look.
Like, how old are these?
These are like 5 days to probably 2 weeks old. I know, they just got it.
Yeah, think about it.
Go in the big circle.
Yeah, and then you just gotta get the middle stuff. What is it? What is it?
Check out.
Cool. All right. Look at this, the kelp forest.
Whoa, big fish. That's a shark.
Hi, little fish.
Yeah, see, here's one.
Look.
These are called hermit crabs. Hermit crabs.
So cool.
Hermit crabs.
Monterey! Well, that was amazing. The Monterey
really cool.
Bay Aquarium did not fail to impress. We had a blast, and we actually saw some friends there, which was really cool, and we're gonna go hang out with them a little more. And yeah, if you haven't seen it, you gotta go see it.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Owned this trailer now for about 3 months, and things are starting to break a little bit on them. We have the Super Glide trailer hitch for the 5th wheel hitch, and the catch plate broke. Well, was breaking, so I had to order a new part, and I'll show you the difference between the new part and the old part and what happened. They said it was user error. I don't know what I did wrong, other than maybe just hitting it too hard with the truck, but it's hard to tell like how hard to back it up into. But I think this part was about $120 to get, and very easy to install. New part, old part. It's an easy fix, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it right back on. Whole new part. Came in like 2 days, so not a big deal, but just one of the many things that you have to deal with as a RVer. Well, we're leaving Laguna Seca today, and we've had a really great time here. I got to go in a race car, or a street car that was all raced out, with a semi-professional race car driver. That was amazing, going over 100 miles an hour into those hairpin turns. Pretty fantastic experience here. The campsite was really interesting. They have water and power no sewer hookups, but that's fine. We figured out how to, it was just here for a couple days. The water actually isn't potable, you can't drink the water, so we just, you know, had bottled water, and it was all right. I wouldn't stay here for a super long time because of that, but we did fine. We're figuring out how to do this, which is fun. Really neat site with the trees. The girls love to climb the trees. And did I mention there's a racetrack right there? I wouldn't call myself a car racing enthusiast, but boy, it might have changed my mind to staying here. This was a really fun experience. In fact, I don't know if you can see behind, there's pretty much the whole racetrack. There's the hairpin turns like right here and comes around. The track comes all the way, and then it has another really cool turn right here. That then you go up the hill, and then there's the corkscrew that's up at the top of the hill, which is crazy. The corkscrew is like you just basically drop down and turn twice. It's just nuts. So loads of fun, beautiful weather. We also got to go to the aquarium here, Monterey Bay Aquarium. That was really awesome, and yeah, everybody loved it. So good site, highly recommend it. I'll put the link below so you can see where it's at. Price was very reasonable, so for California. So yeah, we are off today. We're off to Yosemite.